Today we're going to take a look at a couple of the customization tools available to users in SAP Business One. These tools are available without programming and can be done by anyone that has been given the privileges in SAP Business One. Sometimes there are businesses who have specific needs that cannot be generalized in a way to be covered by software created for the masses. So SAP Business One has created tools to allow you to customize your system to work the way you do. A few of these tools are user-defined values, user-defined tables, and user-defined fields. We're going to take a look at a couple of those today. I'm in an order screen for SAP Business One. Sometimes when you're in a screen you have information that is repeated over and over and over. And in order to make your employees more efficient, save time, you want to have a predefined list that they can choose from rather than have to retype things. This is what SAP calls user-defined values. Now, you can create user-defined values for any field, and you can see you have an option of having the field without user-defined values. In other words, you need to enter them in. Or you can search in existing user-defined values that you have pre-typed, or you can create user-defined values based on a query, and such user-defined values can be automatically refreshed depending on something changing in the system. So in this case we have remarks, and we often use the same remarks, so you can either type in your own remarks or you can choose one from the predefined list. And that's what you call user-defined values. At times there's a need to store data with an object like an order or a customer that does not have a field already for it. So SAP has given us the option of user-defined fields. So you can see a user-defined field that I have entered over here. And along with that, they give the option of creating different categories for user-defined fields and different types of fields, including drop-downs, just free text. You can also have images and links. But this is a numeric field that we've created here called year-to-date sales. At times there's a need for someone entering an order to know what year-to-date sales are. For example, a business may have discounts or commissions based on year-to-date sales. So I'm going to show you a very simple example of retrieving year-to-date sales. As you notice right now, that year-to-date sales number is 0. But if we were to enter a customer code, that's going to fire off the query and bring in the year-to-date sales for that customer. And those are two of the tools that SAP Business One provides to users for automating and making their business more efficient.